Welcome back to Hot Car Track and Mount Western Raceway. Today we have a haul right out of Tasmania, Australia. This is from Metal Mania 3D and the Diecast Workshop. KC has sent us a box. There's a couple of cars in here. I'm going to open them up and let's have a look. I'll also have the links to KC and Metal Mania 3D's social medias here, so please check him out, support him, give him a thumbs up, a like and watch his vids. Let's get stuck straight into this right now. First up, I want to look at this Matchbox. I don't own any Matchbox stuff, and this one here is the 33 Plymouth PC sedan. Wow, that looks awesome. It's got the correct wheels, so it will race on Mount Western Raceway. Reminds me of the old style cars from some of those black and white movies you might watch, well we used to watch here in Australia. So this little Matchbox, I'm not too sure on the weight. It feels pretty good. Let's just hope that it races really well on Mount Western Raceway and can burn up the track. Next up, this would have to be one of my favourites actually. I have raced this on Mount Western Raceway and I tell you that it is very fast and it's going to be hard to beat on the track. This is the Zuru Metal Machines Buffalo. It's not that heavy, however I think it's proportionally weighted and really suited to Mount Western Raceway. It's got the correct wheels on it. Nice colour. The one I have is a little bit different. The green's a little bit more lime. I really like the Metal Machine stuff, and in Australia they're only $1, so you know, versus $3 for the Hot Wheels stuff. This sort of stuff is really good if you can get it. Very nice selection, KC. I wish you the best of luck with that one. Now let's get into this little guy. I've actually got a couple of these myself. This is the Pass and Gasser. This thing rips up Mount Western Raceway like you would not believe. Tiny little thing, and I reckon it can hold its own against some of the bigger, heavier cars. It's got the correct wheels on it. Nice blue. Really like the casting that they've done here. It's a very fine Hot Wheels hot rod. A little bit hard to get actually. I was lucky that I just stumbled into a store one day and found one. But the others I had to buy on eBay and got completely ripped off there. But however, what a great selection this is, mate. I thank you so much for sending these in. I wish you the best of luck on Mount Western Raceway over the next coming weeks. I'm pretty sure we might race this one here, the Buffalo. I really want to see how it goes. I think this is going to be the car to beat. But hey, Mount Western Raceway is a difficult track to race on, and not any one particular day you could say this car will win. So thanks again, KC from Metal Mania 3D and Diecast Workshop. Everyone, go and support him. As I say, like, follow his videos, wherever he is on social media, give him a big thumbs up. This 2020 hot rod season is really gearing up to be something special with this haul from KC, and we've got some other fabulous stuff coming out of the USA and some more New Zealand stuff and maybe some more Aussie stuff coming in. So thanks again for watching, guys. Don't forget Monday, Thursday nights, 5 o'clock Aussie time, hot rods. It's happening. Catch you later.